Welcome back to Vermin Control Scotland. Please stop watching this video if you will be offended by legal pest control activities. Rats and other pest species must be controlled due to risks of diseases being passed on to humans and damage to infrastructure. This channel will be an educational resource on how to humanely dispatch rats using air rifles, night vision and thermal technologies to remove the rat infestations. All activities in these videos are legal. So I've been sent some GSB Hades and Tutu to use in the Airmaks Krait. So I did a quick zero on a paper target before I went on to live quarry. I have used the Hades pellets for many years. However, I was extremely happy to be given the opportunity to be sponsored by GSB. So going forward, I will be using the Hades on the rats, the feral pigeons and the rabbits. So you can see here they group very well on paper. So off to the rats. So this time around, while tackling the rat issue, I'm using a new scope on the Airmaks Krait L. It's an Arken Optic Zeus HD, and it's 5 by 20 times magnification, and it has a laser rangefinder attached to it as well. Like many other YouTube channels, I've been setting this for a in the field report in regards to how I feel that it operates and how it is to use. I'll do that once I've used it for many hours shooting rats and rabbits. Anyway, I'm not one for review videos. I use my kit in the field doing what I do, that's shoot rats and other pest species. I'm very impressed with the scope, I will say that, for the short space of time I've used it. It's compact, light, and the picture quality, as you will see in the footage ahead, is absolutely fantastic. So, no more talking, straight to that.